What is up, girlfriends? I had to come and show y'all my nails. Listen, I made those videos, quick little snaps while I was at the nail shop, but I forgot to do a look at my nails. What's on my nails? Ain't shit on them today, but yeah, you know. But this is the color. I love it. You know what I'm saying? I think this is gel color 54. I'm not sure, but yeah, I had to come let y'all get all this little work and see them. I got my toes done too, you know that, but what y'all think? I'm loving this. It just gave me. So this is what I got. I'm gonna have to get some rhinestones and designs next time or something, yeah, but I just wanted this bomb ass solid color, and this is it. Let me know what y'all think. All right, girlfriends, see y'all later.